Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you a brand new two-story prefab home. Last week marked the third or fourth time I actually thought I'd seen every prefab home currently available, only to find out wrong again. One of the best parts about this industry right now is all the different options to choose from, and as I'm finding out, there are far more available than I ever knew. What a time to be alive, am I right? On this channel, I like to live on the edge and occasionally show homes and companies that are new, even though I know it ruffles the feathers of those who think everything new is a scam. Here's the thing. I could wait until a company has built and sold hundreds of homes and has a proven track record of success before I dare present what they're up to, but if I don't show the very latest homes as I hear about them, every video is a day late and a dollar short. It would be pointless. The company I'm talking about is called Cabini, without a doubt pronounced wrong, with their two-story steel frame modern home. What I'm going to do is tell you about the company, check out their home, and let you know where you can get one. Cabini is a prefab company building transportable two-story homes using top quality materials. As you probably noticed, this thing is a head turner. It looks more like a custom one-off than a production prefab home. To prevent any confusion here, by transportable, what they're talking about is it's built in a factory and delivered to site. This isn't something you're going to be packing up like a tent and moving a couple times a year or even towing with a pickup truck. It's built off-site, transported to the property, and set up. And it is noted on their website that they do deliver worldwide. The Cabini home is their answer to the shift people are making to a more sustainable lifestyle that is close to nature and independent. They say, as we acknowledge the footprint we leave on our planet and as we feel the responsibility for sustaining nature, we have created Cabini Tiny House in which you could feel the comfort of the 21st century at the same time knowing that by choosing our product, you have taken care of the environment. In our construction technology, we follow the path of nature, which embodies techniques that are not new, but have been proven to be reliable over hundreds of years. Such values, combined with modern material standards and a compact design, ensure the future maintenance will be inexpensive and simple. I've definitely noticed more interest in smaller prefab homes, and I fully understand they aren't for everyone, but they are a desirable option for a lot of people, so it shouldn't come as a surprise that there are more options coming to the market. One of the biggest issues people have with a new company is they don't have a proven track record, and I get that. When a company goes from concept to actually building, I think it's realistic to expect a few growing pains. However, this is a bit of a different situation. The Cabini build and website is actually a product of another company that's been in construction for almost 2 decades called TF Lavanda. TF Lavanda builds steel frame structures in a variety of shapes and sizes, including industrial and residential builds. Whether or not that alleviates any stress or concern about this new company depends on the person, but there you have it. It's smart to give this home its own branding because it's a unique product that I think has legs to stand alone apart from everything else they do. If they branded it under the TF Lavanda umbrella, I feel like it could get lost in everything else they do. Keep in mind, I'm not a marketing wizard, but the strategy does make sense to me. For Cabini, as far as the construction itself is concerned, they aren't trying to reinvent the wheel, rather using time-tested methods that have been around for years. On their website, they break it down by saying, in our construction technology, we follow the path of nature, which embodies techniques that are not new, but have been proven to be reliable over hundreds of years. Such values, combined with modern material standards and a compact design, ensures the future maintenance will be inexpensive and simple. There are probably people out there who really enjoy maintaining things, but I am not one of them, so low maintenance gets a big green check in the positives box from me. Let's see how these things come out of the factory. If you ever get a chance to see a prefab home being delivered in person, I highly recommend you take it. I don't know what I find so fascinating about seeing a home travel down the road, but it is a thrill and everyone should see it at least once. The Cabini comes out of the factory in 2 pieces, requires 2 trucks for delivery, and is set into place on site with a crane. The home is designed to have one piece sit on top of the other, so when it arrives at the site, the top piece is placed first, and when it's balanced on the supports, they place the bottom. Just making sure people are still awake. First, the bottom module is set on the foundation and secured, then the top module is placed on the back of the bottom module and steel post. I'm guessing as long as everything runs smooth, the process of getting it placed can be finished in a day, then it's down to connecting the services and finishing where the 2 modules come together, along with any touch-ups. The Cabini home has a total footprint of 385 square feet over 2 floors, so definitely not huge, but a very cool setup. They have this thing laid out with the entrance, kitchen, dining room, and bathroom on the main floor. The kitchen has more than enough counter space for me to unbox chicken tenders and toss a salad, but if you're looking to prepare mutton chops for 10, might be a little cramped. There appears to be sufficient cabinet space for the amount of stuff the number of people who will be living in the home would have, which is likely 1 or 2. So even though you might have to cut down on the amount of stuff you've got, there is space to tuck things away. The bathroom has a window for natural light and all the essentials including sink, shower, and toilet. For the feel of the home, they've placed a massive window on the end wall and by the door to ensure the entire space is opened up with natural light and connects homeowners with nature. The home was designed around minimalism, comfort, and clean, natural style. This certainly isn't a pack rat special, so buyers might want to consider having a garage sale before moving in. Stairs to the second floor are across from the entrance between the kitchen and the bathroom and lead to where you'll find the living space and bedroom. The way the second floor is laid out, they've got the bedroom, then a space they've called the panoramic chill zone. I am a fan of the chill zone, partially because it's a place to chill, but mainly because it's called the chill zone. The name reminds me of a walk-in cooler at a beer store, and I just think it would be fun to say, if you need me, I'll be in my chill zone. The sliding glass doors in the bedroom lead to the terrace, which takes us to the exterior of this home. The exterior of the Cabini home is finished with fiber cement board with wood accents, and it looks sharp. I think the appeal of the look is a combination of what they've used and the actual shape of the structure because it's so unique and just not something you see very often. One of my favorite features about the Cabini home is the rooftop deck. The thing about rooftop decks is they're awesome. I've always liked them, but the proximity to the chill zone in this one gives it a little extra something something. Picture yourself sitting on the deck and someone shows up. You get to say, yeah, come on up, go through the kitchen and up the stairs. If you hit the chill zone, you've gone too far. It's the room name nobody asked for, but I am pretty happy we got it. On top of that, of note is the glass railing, teak decking, recessed lighting in the overhang and on the deck, the window into the chill zone, and the sliding glass door out of the bedroom. The Cabini has a lot going on that makes it stand out, and I think people are going to be really excited about the design. The price isn't listed on the website, however, I did reach out for more info, but I haven't heard back yet. When I do, I'll post it in the comments and pin it to the top, so if it isn't there yet, wait longer. Cabini and TF Lavanda are located in Romania, so great for everyone watching from Europe, but definitely complicates things for everyone over here in North America because of shipping, building codes, and overall logistics of the purchase. Doesn't mean it's impossible, it just means more homework is involved to make sure it's going to work for whatever you're trying to do. Just because they ship worldwide doesn't necessarily mean they meet the building codes for the entire world, so a deep dive would be required for whatever region you want to put this thing. The Cabini home is a steel frame Romanian-built prefab home with a unique look that ships worldwide. I think the design looks really cool and would be an option for a standalone home like the one shown today, an ADU or a cabin. Just when I thought I'd seen every prefab home currently available, I realized once again that I've barely scratched the surface. This industry has a lot to offer in different shapes, sizes, and price points, and even with everything available now, I think it's just the beginning. I have a feeling this is a design people are going to be interested in, so I'll be following along with what they're up to and posting updates right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next